everybody knows, when I take the plug out, which is usually here, I put a hose bib. That's the best way. But if I don't want a hose bib, I take the plug out every winter. When I say I put it in the timer, I mean I put it where the wires go. This is where the plug is. You got to remove the plastic, and there's the plug. If you want to do it yourself, you make sure you take the plug out, put Teflon tape on it, the right direction, and then put it back here, screw it in, and then turn the water on. Or you're going to get a big hole right here because the water is just going to keep flowing. All right, have a good day. Any questions? Call Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solutions, LLC.
And this is why you make sure you have us, the professionals, come out and turn your sprinklers on. Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solutions, LLC. Because otherwise, if you were just a homeowner and you turned it on, you wouldn't know what to do. It's like, oh, why is this going like this? Well, the bleeder valve was open, so it needs to be closed more. Same here, and then everything will be fine. But also, you have to make sure you have the plug in. If you don't have the plug in, water's just going to shoot on down. Please, be smart, call the professionals.